My Karen neighbor kept parking in my driveway, so I had her car towed. I live with my husband in a suburban neighborhood with a double driveway. Over the past few months, my Karen neighbor Linda has repeatedly ignored my requests to stop parking in our driveway. Today, things finally came to a head. I woke up early for an appointment only to find Linda's car parked in my driveway again, blocking me in. My husband had already left for work, so I knocked on her door and waited, but there was no answer. I even tried calling her, but her phone went straight to voicemail. I was running late and completely fed up, so I called a towing company. They arrived quickly, and as they were hooking up her car, Linda stormed out of her house, furious. She yelled at me and the tow truck driver, calling me petty and claiming I could have just waited a bit longer or left a note. I calmly reminded her that I'd asked her multiple times to stop parking in my driveway. She ended up paying the towing fee, and now she's absolutely livid. She's been telling other neighbors that I'm a vindictive control freak, and a couple of them have hinted that I might have gone too far. Even my husband thinks I could have handled it differently. Now, Linda glares at me every time she sees me. My husband is annoyed about the neighborhood drama, and my MIL casually remarked, "Some people just can't manage conflict like adults." Am I wrong?